How to use Airalo Kenya eSIM properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Airalo's eSIMs are a game changer for travelers, but beginners often make costly mistakes when using the Kenya eSIM. Here's how to do it right. The first mistake is skipping device compatibility checks. Most people get this wrong by assuming any phone works. Your phone must be eSIM enabled and unlocked. Checking this beforehand avoids wasted purchases. Second mistake, ignoring plan selection. You won't believe how many users pick a plan without matching their data needs. Airalo Kenya offers multiple options, from light browsing to heavy streaming. Choosing the right plan prevents running out of data or overpaying. Third mistake, improper installation. The surprising truth is that some users fail to scan the QR code correctly or forget to activate the eSIM in settings. Follow the step-by-step guide, including selecting the correct line in your phone's network settings. Fourth mistake, not checking coverage. Beginners assume eSIMs work everywhere. While Kenya has broad coverage, some rural areas may be weak. Knowing coverage ensures you stay connected when it matters most. Finally, failing to monitor usage is common. Airalo provides usage stats in-app, but many ignore them. Monitoring data prevents unexpected charges and ensures your plan lasts throughout your trip. Using Airalo Kenya eSIM properly means checking compatibility, selecting the right plan, installing correctly, understanding coverage, and monitoring usage. Avoid these beginner mistakes and you'll stay connected in Kenya without stress or surprises.